Got it.
That one get away, or we get them all? I think we got them all.
Uh-oh. We got a flyer. A super doozy.
Yeah, blow his head off.
Oh,
You didn't flinch too bad.
I felt my
Cruel and unjust.
Huh. Uh-oh.
That's a bad shell, I guess. Try this one. Our bad gun.
We got an extra.
You ready?
Good. Wow. I got it. All right, professional. Tell me about it.
Oh, we set up here in a couple of rice fields. We rode back early and been froze up forever, seemed like. Yesterday night they started coming in here. We still got a lot of ice, but they're really hungry. They're coming off these refuges like real foot, and I think we're gonna have a good hunt. We got our sun at our back, winds at our back. We got to kind of come in just like those did. It's gonna be good today. Hope so. We need some good luck. We've had a crazy year. We've jumped all over the place and been froze up, zero weather. It's been crazy. But today may be our day.
Hopefully. I'm your lucky charm.
Lucky charm. You're my little leprechaun.
Yeah.
Back! We don't have our dog today. We got Brandon. I don't think you missed, did you?
Huh?
I think you got 3 out of 3.
I only shot twice.
You did. I missed the first one completely.
There's Max's limit. Did you see how hard we hit them once we stopped just shooting and started aiming?
Uh-huh.
Woohoo!
First time I didn't aim.
I didn't either. And then when I picked that one,
You dropped it.
I hit it full
Square.
load. 3 out there, ain't
I
there?
think so. You see 3 full?
I seen a bunch fall.
No, I don't think there was a bunch. We missed the first shot.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Get them 2, Brent. Get them.
He's here, watch him.
Don't want to go down. Yeah. You didn't hit hard. You got to mark that pole.
That's the pole on that other road or close to it.
Yeah. I thought it was both Drakes. They wasn't one. Bad shooting.
What do you think about it, Duck Commander Jr.?
I need oxygen.
The Duck Whisperer.
Oxygen.
A little
Man.
tough on the older man.
There might be something better than duck hunting, but I'm not sure what it'd be right now. I think he spied that other one.
Did he spy it?
Yeah. Well, we got a lot of ducks if I just keep working back for it. Yeah, he may just have the 2. Whew. Outdoors in the Delta. I just wish Hollywood could see me. That's all I need.
Hollywood.
If they ever just got a glimpse of me. That's all it takes.
I think the cold weather's finally got to you.
I think it's a Diet Mountain Dew. They say that it kills brain cells.
Yeah.
I think pretty much is my problem.
It can't be the cold weather or
That-
nothing like that.
Could be farming.
Oh, could be farming.
Could be,
Yeah.
it could be that we go out in 20 below weather. Idiots. Who'd do that?
Us.
Sure is fun though.
Who sat on the side of a tree all day long and go, "Boy, I sure hope I see something."
I can't stand that deer hunting no more.
You just like to duck hunt.
I
too
don't know
much.
why what y'all seeing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ryan's little girl killed that first deer,
Yeah.
5 years old.
5 years
I
old.
told her, I said, do you hold the gun or prop it up or anything? He said, nope, she wanted to do it all. He said, I slid the window open. That it hit her high,
Yeah.
spine shot, just fell like a rock. She said, well, that's it.
She done.
Get that straight.
That's the way.
3 low on the other end. there. Coming right at us.
No, there ain't no excuse to miss that bird.
He's gonna go down like the other one.
Get that same pole.
Now he's gonna go the other way. Ploop. Gonna wait.
No.
Get him.
Good shoot.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, you hit him. Little lead. You dropped feathers out of him that first shot.
He was awful tall.
Yeah.
You come back around.
He's going to try it again.
I ain't got no bullet.
Well, we get 3.
There you go, Kevin, right above you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's him.
He's getting higher now. He ain't that dumb. Man, that was pretty cool. You see that black?
Mm-hmm.
He was leading them mallards. I thought he was going to do it.
Yeah, there's 4. There's another one laying out there.
Where at?
Brandon, right there. See it?
Oh,
And then there's
yeah.
one over here.
Yeah, I didn't see that farthest one.
There's 4. There's another one right there.
Well, we punished them that time, buddy. We don't get 4 when there's 8 hunting.
Woohoo! Kicking butt, taking names.
Can you get that pin down? Right out front. Can you get that Drake?
Yeah.
Get him. Good shot. Come here, Dad. Get him.
Like that hen.
I believe you got yours that time.
1, 2. Better get that Drake.
Man, was that super wild or what?
Is that pretty, guys?
That just,
You got a bullet, Cat?
Woohoo!
Dang it, man. We need shooters.
hoping to get a few specks in here, but we've been seeing them, but we have no luck getting them in here. Here comes a couple right here, pintails we need. But we'll settle back in and we'll try it again. Thought that pintail's gonna come in with me talking.
They're coming around.
Get that duck, man.
I thought you were shooting at him again like that.
Kevin, that's the first ducks of the morning or afternoon since we come back.
Not bad. I got people wanting to know if I got killed any today.
Tell them, nah, a little slow.
Get that one. Get him. Yeah, ain't that the one I...
No, you ain't got that one.
Oh, I thought I did.
Since I killed this one close, you shot that one almost to the stump.
Oh, that's right. We didn't go get them, did we? I hope he didn't. He looked dead. I mean, his legs were up. Yeah, he was leg up. I thought he was dead to the world.
Yeah, I didn't even pay no attention to him.
He hit and his legs kicking straight up. Guess he got a breather.
Boy, wish it hadn't been icy. We needed Avery today.
Yep. I don't know if he can go in the morning or not. It's still icy, ain't it?
I think it'll be melted if it don't get real cold. Here this afternoon, after a hard freeze, we've been froze up for about a week. Ducks just starting to come back off the river in Reelfoot. We got out here this afternoon. Got a pretty good mixed bag. Got a mallard drake, limit of mallard drakes, got a bullpen tail, a few teal, even shot a couple hens. Had to put some money in the hen jar for those. We got out here on this road in between two rice fields. We put out our finisher blinds, camoed them in real good. Had a sun to our back, wind working in our favor. Turned out to be a pretty good afternoon. We're gonna come back and try it again in the morning.
The taxi has arrived.
Hey, Jace, you and Si ever want to go on a good duck hunt, call me.
I just hope they watch our show.
Whoa!
Tell us about it, Mr. Carlisle.
About what?
What we're doing.
We're duck hunting. What do you think we're doing? We're just hoping the ducks come back. Oh.
You're the duck whisperer,
It's
so
been
where's the duck?
craziest year, ain't it? Trying to figure out the ducks. We've had 4 or 5 days. They outguessed us. It's just been different. Froze up, thaw out, froze up, thaw out. Teal all left. Now the teal are all back. I don't know. Guess that's why they call it hunting. Get him. Oh, too far. Thought they too far when they pulled up. It was closer, wasn't it?
This other one's coming back.
That's all I got.
That's a long shot.
They was real close, and then when I said go,
Oh,
they
he
just went
jumped.
straight up.
50 yards.
I thought they was going to land. They looked like they were just going to land there for a minute.
Kill him.
Get him. kill him?
I don't know.
Yep. Get that one, honey. Oh, he got too far right. How do you get that hurt? You hear me hit till you get him?
Yeah, but I can't.
You can't shoot that way either.
Chill. No bird. No bird.
Get him.
Never seen him.
Oh, you didn't?
I lost him down here.
We had our eyes on him, did we, Hunter? Look at them orange feet in that thing. Nothing to it. Get up. I shot 3 times at that and you killed. Never did it.
I would let the hen go anyway.
A little gun shy.
Are we done, Mr. Carlisle?
We're done. Another day in the glorious life of a duck hunter. And I do mean glorious. Today is a great day.
Come on, baby.
Folks that don't know what kind of ducks we're looking at, we're not mallard purists, but we would like to be. This is a mallard drake. He's a full mature bird, got the real pretty head, orange feet. He's a good mature bird. This is the hen. It's a mallard hen. You can tell by some people look at them, but they always have that little blue on their wing. Tell the mallard hens from that. Got a couple of other ducks. The widgeon is really pretty duck. This is the American widgeon. They got a European widgeon, but this is our American widgeon. Really pretty nice bird. Makes a little whistling sound. Really pretty. That's the hen to them. Tell she doesn't have any blue on her. Strictly got the little blue bill, but that's the widgeon and the hen. I think that's all we had today. Yep. But you'll see a lot of times in the, I don't know, you've seen some hunting shows that the guys are hunting up in Canada, and you'll see a lot of drakes. They're really hard to pick out from the hens because they don't have their plumage. They don't get their colors till a little later in the fall. But this time of year, late January, early February, these bad boys really get some color to them. That is really a pretty bird to me. Really nice. Got the sheen. It's hard to imitate that on the decoy, but that is really a nice bird. See you guys later, outdoors in the Delta. Well, we brought another day to a close today. Sunday we had a nice little hunt. We got out here behind the house in the rice field and had some kind of wind, but the ducks kept coming, and we're a little shy of a limit, but not bad. But really had a good hunt with Hunter and Brandon. Always fun to hunt with them. And had Max along, but he didn't do a whole lot. He was kind of stoked up. I think he's sick, but but we had a good hunt. See you guys next time.